Baby born at community health center for his first immunization, which can be given to him. Options: A. DPT vaccine, B. MMR vaccine, C. BCG vaccine, D. Typhoid vaccine. Answer: option C. BCG vaccine. Dose of BCG vaccine at birth 0.05 ml. Dose of BCG above 4 weeks 0.01 ml. Vaccine type live attenuated vaccine. BCG protect against tuberculosis. Dilute solution normal saline. Temperature require BCG vaccine to store 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Route of BCG vaccine intradermal. Safe disposal of mercury is: options: A. Bury under earth. Option B. Collect carefully and reuse. C. Combustion. D. Treat with chemical. Answer: option B. Collect carefully and reuse. Mercury is shiny silver white toxic metal. Its liquid form. Mercury is mainly used in thermometer, sphygmomanometer. The best test to detect iron deficiency in community is: options: transferrin. Option B. Serum ferritin. Option C. Serum iron. Option D. Hemoglobin. Answer: option B. Serum ferritin. Specific protection and health promotion are measures for: options: A. Primary prevention, B. Secondary prevention, C. Tertiary prevention, D. Primordial prevention. And the answer: option A. Primary prevention. Primary prevention, health promotion and specific protection are considered in primary prevention. Secondary prevention, yearly diagnosis and prevention. Tertiary prevention, disability limitation and rehabilitation. Vaccine used for pregnant female. Options: A. BCG vaccine, B. Rubella vaccine, C. DPT vaccine, D. Tetanus vaccine. Answer: option D. Tetanus vaccine. Tetanus vaccine, total 2 doses is there, first dose and second dose. For the client who is using oral contraceptives, the nurse informs the client about the need to take the pill at the same time each day to accomplish which of following? Options: A. Decrease the incidence of nausea, B. Maintain hormonal level, C. Reduce side effects, D. Prevent drug interactions. Answer: option B. Maintain hormonal level. Case finding in RNT-CP is based on: options: A. Sputum culture, B. Sputum microscopy, C. X-ray chest, D. Mondax test. Answer: option B. Sputum microscopy. This has been shown to be one of the most efficient methods of identifying tuberculosis infection among patients in order to help them start treatment. RNTCP full form: Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program in 1962. Total number of all individuals who have particular disease at a point of time. Options: A. Incidence, B. Prevalence, C. Morbidity rate, D. Mortality rate. Answer: option B. Prevalence. Prevalence means total number of current case. Incidence means the number of new cases that develop during a specific time period. Which vaccine contraindicated in pregnancy is? Options: A. Rubella, B. Diphtheria, C. Tetanus, D. Hepatitis B. Answer: option A. Rubella. Live attenuated vaccine, example rubella, measles, mumps and varicella, should be withheld during pregnancy because live vaccine can cross the placenta and result in viral infection of the fetus. Sentinel surveillance is done to: options: know the total number of cases in community, B. know the hidden case in community, C. know natural history disease, D. plan intervention. Answer: option B. know the hidden case in community. Sentinel surveillance is a method of identifying the missing and hidden cases in community. Pap smear is an example of: options: A. primordial prevention, B. primary prevention, C. secondary prevention, D. tertiary prevention. Answer: option C. secondary prevention. Pap smear is a form of secondary prevention aimed to diagnose cervical cancer in its subclinical state before progression. Chemical use in vaginal sponge. Options: A. ethinyl estradiol, B. progesterone, C. mifepristone, D. non-oxynol 9. Answer: option D. non-oxynol 9. Non-oxynol 9 is used in vaginal sponge. Identify the National Health Program depicted by the symbol. Options: A. RCH, B. IDSP, C. NPCB, D. NVBDCP. Answer: option C. NPCB. NPCB full form National Program for Control of Blindness, launched in 1976. Preservative added in DPT vaccine. Options: zinc phosphate, B. aluminum phosphate, C. magnesium sulfate, D. zinc sulfate. Answer: option B. aluminum phosphate. Measles vaccine is kept in refrigerator. Options: A. chilled tray, B. freezer, C. tray below the freezer, D. shelves in the door. Answer: option B. freezer. Measles and OPV vaccine stored in deep freezers. Measles vaccine route subcutaneous. The best method of treat diarrhea in a child is options A. IV fluids, B. Antibiotics, C. ORS, D. Antihelminthic. Answer option C. ORS. ORS full form oral rehydration solution. Oral rehydration solution is the best method of treat a patient with diarrhea. Prepare ORS, use within 24 hours. What is the color coding of BMW bag in hospitals used to dispose of blood bag? Options A. Yellow, B. Black, C. Red, D. Blue. Answer option A. Yellow. Blood bags are discarded in yellow BMW bins and blood transfusion sets are discarded in red BMW bins. Bagasosis is an occupational disease of the lung caused by an inhalation of options A. Cotton, B. Silica, C. Coal, D. Sugarcane dust. Answer option D. Sugarcane dust. Cotton dust inhalation by snosis, silico dust inhalation silicosis, coal dust inhalation anthracosis. Best method of screening for early detection of carcinoma breast in women aged above 14 years is options A. Regular X-ray, B. Self-examination, C. Mammography, D. Regular biopsies. Answer option C. Mammography. Spread of communicable disease across a large region country to country is referred to options A. Endemic, B. Epidemic, C. Episodic, D. Pandemic. Answer option D. Pandemic. Pandemic means spread of disease among large population or worldwide. For example, COVID-19 is a pandemic. In India, which one is the following is the first referral unit? Options A. Sub-center, B. Primary health center, C. Community health center, D. Regional health center. Answer option C. Community health center. Most common drug resistance in tuberculosis in India. Options A. Isoniazid, B. Rifampin, C. Streptomycin, D. Pyrazinamide. Answer option A. Isoniazid. Most common resistance anti-tubercular drug in India, isoniazid. Smallpox eradicated from the world in the year. Options A. 1977, B. 1980, C. 1981, D. 1982. Answer option B. 1980. Administration of ready-made antibody creates. Options A. Active acute immunity, B. Passive acute immunity, C. Active immunity, D. Passive immunity. Answer Option B, passive acute immunity. Administration of ready-made antibody creates passive acute immunity. Hypothyroidism in children causes options A, cretinism, B, thyroiditis, C, thyroxine, D, prothrombin. Answer option A, cretinism. Cretinism means iron deficiency in children.